they gotta look cute on me. Yeah, it's a no for me. Because the vibe is what? It's immaculate over here.
Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is going to be another Shein haul. Can I hear it? Clap it up, cause I know y'all been waiting for this. I've been waiting to do this. I had to wait a little while from the last one, but I'm ready. Like, it's about to be on and popping. Like, are you kidding me? Y'all gotta have the same energy because I'm excited. I'm very excited. But just a little disclaimer, y'all, I am a little bloated because I just ate and everything. So, like, if y'all see a little pudge, mind your business. Mind your business. But no, let's really jump into this video. Grab your snack, get your drink, and let's get it popping. Alright, y'all, so I'm just gonna start off with the accessories that I got. It was only like 4 little bags. I think it's like 4 little bags. But here's the first one. Y'all, Shein did me dirty. I'll like screenshot and put a picture of what it was really supposed to be, but they forgot my strap. Like, how you send a bag without a strap? And then I put in for my refund, and I'm like, is it even worth it? Like, I could just put something in here. I don't know. I'm gonna still use it, but like, I wanted a little crossbody, little bag, but it was this one. And then I got the same one in purple. I don't know if y'all can really see. It's the light, okay. There's like a lavender, just to throw on, something casual. And then I got this little tote bag. Y'all know them tote bags that been going around. People been, putting them with their outfits or whatever. I'm gonna get some more. If I style this right, I'm gonna get some more. But let's see how big this actually is. Okay. I think it's a good size. But it just has like these painted faces on it. It just gave me like, I don't know, real artsy vibes, real canvas vibes. And I can't wait to style this. This is mad cute. Alright, so my next bag is this little crocodile print Baguette bag. Oh wow, this is made very poorly. What's going on, Shein? Oh, this is cheap. I mean, granted, the price was cheap, but like, this is like cheap quality. Oh, this is bad. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to send this back.
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. No, I wasted my money.
Oh, y'all, I don't know if y'all can really tell. Wait, I can't, no. Okay, it's a no for me. And y'all pictures and everything on Instagram, it be looking way better. I'm very confused. Oh, wow. I don't know if I can make this work. Like, I'm very... Next. This is the last bag that I got. Okay, it's cute. This is definitely different for me. It's smaller than I expected, but you can still put your phone in here. It fits nicely. Alright, it's a little cute it's literally an accessory. Like, it's just to dress up an outfit. But like, ow, I really thought it was gonna be better. Wow. I thought it was gonna be better. But it's cute. I mean, what could you expect, right? I don't know, Shein. You starting off a little rocky. So that was all my accessories. Now I'm finna go into the tops. Okay, y'all, so this first top is, what is this? Oh, it's a bodysuit. It's a long sleeve bodysuit. I wanted like a high scoop neck, long sleeve black tee. And I was like, what better way to do it but through a bodysuit? This look kind of big. But it got the 3 buttons, which is good because if you gotta pee, you don't feel like taking off the whole thing. That'd be mad annoying. But It feels nice actually, like not too thick, not too thin, but it has the lettuce like ruffled sleeve. I couldn't get the word sleeve, but I think this is gonna be cute. Yeah, I think this is gonna be cute. So this is the first top. Next we have another long sleeve black tee. It's more of a crop top. It says baby girl on it in rhinestones. I just thought this was really cute, a nice little piece to have. It got a little bit of stretch to it, not that much, not as stretchy as the other one. This one was way more stretchy, but I just think this is mad cute. It's giving me baby fat vibes. It's giving me very much baby fat vibes, but I'm starting to like how black looks on me. So if y'all see a lot of black stuff in this haul, sorry. Next I got this white long sleeve lettuce shirt. This looks see-through, y'all. This looks see-through. Dang. Dang. I don't know, it's cute though. I think it's really cute. Y'all, we have another black shirt, and it's also long sleeve, but it has thumb holes in it, and it's like a half zip type thing going on. So I think it's gonna be cute, and it's stretchy. I probably should have sized down. Dang, I probably should have sized down. We gonna see though. I got an extra large because I've seen like pictures of people with extra larges. Alright y'all, next we have this like cream off the shoulder sweater situation going on. It has cinched sleeves right here. It feels really thick, like it's gonna be really warm, and also it's cinched at the waistline. But this is gonna be really cute to just fall off your shoulders. Actually, this shirt would be bomb if my hair was like this and I wore it with a little cute fit. Oh my gosh. But as you can see, it's oversized. And it's really soft, and it's good quality. So, alright Shein, you're doing better. I thought this was white on the website, but it's more of a cream or like an ivory. So, like if you want a true white, I would suggest not getting this because it's actually a cream. So, next, I got another black one. I truly didn't realize. I don't think I would have done this if I knew like it was like mad black shirts that I got. I don't care, black slim you down and make you look good, and I just like the way black look on me, because y'all, I haven't found like my color. Like if y'all get what I mean, like you look at somebody, be like, oh yes girl, pink is your color, blue is your color, purple is your color. I don't have that. Like my friend Zoe, she was like, orange girl, orange, I think orange is your color. I'm like, really? I don't even wear orange. But y'all, I haven't found my color, but I like how white looks on me. I like how black looks on me. But if y'all think I look good in a certain color, let me know in the comment section. But anyways, this is just this white trimmed black rib shirt, and it's a split right here, so it shows a little bit of your belly. And I just thought this was cute. It's different. I don't have nothing like it, so why not, right? I don't know how I'm gonna style this though, but it's gonna be cute. Next is something I would never get. I would never get this. But my friend Zoe was supposed to have a dinner, and she wanted us to wear animal print, but it ended up getting canceled. So I just have this. And it's what is this? Is this cheetah? Yeah, I think it's cheetah print, but it's just black, white, and gray. Yeah, it's like black, white, and gray, and it's like a little mock neck, a little crop top, and it's just slim fitted. It's stretchy, and I just think it's cute. Even though, you know, the dinner was canceled, I could definitely, it's definitely a statement piece, so like everything else will have to be kind of simple, but we'll see how I'll style this. Also, y'all, speaking of styling things, if y'all want me to do like help me style my Shein items type video, I think I'm gonna do it. But if y'all want that, just type in yes in the comment section, whatever. Just put yes. I don't know what you're talking about. Whatever y'all want, I will provide. But yeah, it could be like me going to the closet or whatever, picking out something, trying to find an outfit, and then do a little mini style lookbook for y'all. So let me know if y'all want that. Anyway, back into the video. Next, I have this this like hoodie shirt, and it's like cinched at the cuffs and cinched at the waistline. I think this burnt orange is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I don't have nothing like this in my closet, and when I try it on, y'all gonna see how it look on me. But I just think this is really cute. It's different, and it has the hood. So here's this. Y'all, I saw this on the flash sale, and I was just like, I don't have no red hoodies. I don't have no red hoodies. So I'm like, let me just try it out. And what I'm feeling, it's kind of soft, and it's kind of feeling a little thick. Wait. Yeah, it's like fleece on the inside. Okay, Shein. But yeah, it's just this red hoodie. You can never go wrong with a hoodie. Like, it's a hoodie. You're bound to wear it. But it just has this black little heart in the middle of it, and then it has some pockets. We love hoodies with pockets, cause I be mad when it don't be no pockets in like jeans or hoodies. I'm like, so what's the purpose? What was the reason?
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
What was that reason? Yes, I just got this red hoodie. Hopefully it fits nicely or whatever, but it feel good to me also. Got this. Now I'm gonna go into the one set that I have. My mom actually got this for me, so thank you, mommy. But it's just this two-piece. Now this looks, in person, I couldn't tell this was like a greenish gray, but I'm gonna call it a greenish gray. I tried to find like what the actual color was, but I couldn't find it because there's no tags on these things. But it just comes with joggers. It's more like a thermal fabric, but it's cinched at the bottom and at the waist, and it's fake string, so you can't tighten your waist. So you out of luck if you thought you out of luck. But you know, it's just really cute. I was surprised to see that this has pockets, real pockets. But yeah, it's see-through. Like, I could see through it right now. I don't know, just wear the right undergarments underneath. It's just a little lounge set anyway, so. But it's oversized. And then this is the shirt. It's like a cropped oversized little sweater. See-through as well. It's thermal material. But this is gonna be cute. I have a feeling it's gonna be cute. Next, I'm gonna go to the one jacket that I got. It's this teddy coat. It's a brown teddy coat, and it's so soft, y'all. I suggest y'all get this. Now, I recommend y'all get this because it's really soft, and it's the same material on the inside. So go copy this. It's in this chocolate brown. I have nothing brown in my closet. Like, I got nudes, but I don't have nothing brown. So I was like, let me get something different. I don't got no shoes to match this either. Oh wait, I got some Uggs. Now I'm gonna get into the jeans. After I show y'all these jeans and bottoms, it's gonna conclude this video. So come on, let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. Now before I open this, y'all, this came in different packaging, like other than the other Shein bags. Like, it's different. And when I tell you I've been wanting these pants, these stacked pants, please, I just hope this is just good material and fits. Okay, I'm feeling it. Ooh. I'm laughing like this because this is very long. Now this part is gonna be the stacked part, but I'm short, y'all. Like, I got short legs. Like, I'm 5'3.5" and I have short legs, so I'm just hoping it's not gonna look too goofy. It got some stretch to them. I think these type of pants gonna make your butt look good. Do these have real pockets? Yes, they do. It's lit. Like, it's lit. Are you kidding me? But yeah, these are really long. These are really long. So we gonna see. We gonna see. Now, if y'all paid attention to my last Shein haul, I got some jeans that I couldn't fit, and I was very mad. And then I still risked it all and got another pair of Shein jeans. Why? Because I saw some fake girls on there, and it was like, in the reviews, like, it was stretchy, they recommended, da-da-da. And it's just these flare pants. I'm feeling the stretch. Please, let this get up my thigh. I'm gonna be very upset if I can't. It seems like it's gonna fit, y'all. I'm excited. Yeah, it got stretched. But yeah, it's just these medium wash flare pants. I don't have any flare pants. And I just can't wait to style these. These look mad cute on the website and on the people. So I'm like, they gotta look cute on me. Like, you don't got no choice, period. That was the last item. I know, right? It went so fast. It went so fast. I'm very upset myself, you know. But if y'all want other hauls from other companies, if y'all want another Shein haul, y'all gotta let me know. Y'all gotta interact with me. Like, if y'all want a lovely wholesale, I could do that for y'all. It's an upcoming Walmart haul. Don't sleep on Walmart. Granted, I haven't gotten some clothes from there in like a while, but still, don't sleep on Walmart. I'm gonna get up to Boohoo Pretty Little Thing, but it needs to be more y'all watching, because you know they don't got Shein prices. But I'm just very excited to do hauls for y'all. Like, I genuinely like doing these videos for you guys. So if y'all like my videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share it, because the vibe is what is immaculate over here. And if y'all like what y'all saw today, make sure you come back for another piece of cake. Mikaylah Rachelle is out. Bye.